This video is going to show you how to make $1 million peanut butter fudge. First, you need 3 bags of peanut butter chips, which is 30 ounces. You need half a cup of butter, and we're starting to melt it a little bit. And then we need 4.5 cups of sugar. You need 1 can of evaporated milk. Okay, this is evaporated milk, which is 12-ounce can. Okay, then we're going to mix all this together, heat it up. Okay, bring it to a slight boil. Then we're going to add it to our peanut butter chips. Then after that, we will add 7 ounces of marshmallow cream and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So once this comes to a boil, then we'll put it in our chips. You just got to wait for it to boil. Once your sugar, margarine, and milk mixture has completely mixed together and is nice and smooth, then we're going to add it to our chips and our marshmallow cream. So now we're going to put our bigger pot over here on the burner. And we're going to dump our mixture into our chips. Be very careful because it's very hot. Make sure your pot's big enough to handle all of it. Okay, now we just mix everything together till you no longer see any of the marshmallow cream. Just mix everything together till everything's melted. After it's really melting good, you put a teaspoon of vanilla in. Vanilla extract. That's the last thing you put in. So all together in this $1 million peanut butter fudge recipe, there's 4.5 cups of sugar, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of margarine, 30 ounces of peanut butter chips, 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You want to keep stirring it until all the marshmallow cream has dissolved and you don't see any of the white streaks, because you want everything incorporated into the chips. But you don't want it on high, you just want it on medium heat because you don't want it to scorch. You just keep stirring it till everything gets mixed up together, and then we'll put it in our cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper and wax paper. Wax paper works better with fudge because it doesn't stick to it. But I put the parchment paper on the bottom too, just in case there's run over. That way it's easier to get out of the pan. You just keep stirring it till all the marshmallow cream is nice and mixed in together and dissolved. And then we'll put it in our pan and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour for it to set up. Once you get all the marshmallow cream melted, then you put it in your wax paper lined cookie sheet. We're going to spread it out. And we're going to leave it here for about 10 minutes to cool off a little before we put it in the refrigerator. Because you don't want to put it in the refrigerator and then it get condensation. You don't want water spots on it. So we'll leave it out in room temperature for about 10 minutes, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator to help it cool down. I left the peanut butter fudge in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now it has set up. And there is our plate full of peanut butter fudge after we cut it. I hope you enjoy my recipe for $1 million peanut butter fudge. Please like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your peanut butter fudge.